How to find sponsored ads on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find sponsored ads on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, what you can do is just scroll down and there you can just tap on see more option. And after that, you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as finds. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are in this section, here you'll find all the sponsored ads that are currently released on Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can see or find sponsored ads on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.